Good morning, my dear students. So, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Stay safe at your home. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with our next topic. Our topic is ecosystem. Okay, so ecosystem is that the environment in which all living and non-living beings live with each other by interdependence on each other. Okay, by interdepending or interlinking on each other, that environment is known as our ecosystem. Okay, clear? The environment in which all the living and non-living things live by interlinking or interdepending with each other on each other, that environment we call it as our ecosystem. So our ecosystem is again of two types, natural and artificial. Okay, so natural ecosystem consists of two, that is ecosystem on land and ecosystem on water. Aquatic means ecosystem of water. Okay, so it can be on air also. Okay, so land, air and water, the ecosystem, the organisms, the living things which live on this, they all are interdependent on each other. Okay, so this form the ecosystem. So on land, forest, grassland and desert. So every living being who live on these, and the living beings living on forest, so forest animals are dependent on the plants and trees over there, all and the organisms and the other organisms over there, and those organisms are dependent on those animals who are living there. Okay, so they form a cycle, the interdependent cycle. That cycle is called the ecosystem. On the grassland also, like this, same thing can happen. One animal eat the grass, and the animal who eat the grass is eaten by another. Okay, so this form the ecosystem of the grassland. And same as the desert also, the organisms or living or non-living which live in desert, they also form an ecosystem by interdepending on each other. Now an aquatic, in water, the living ecosystem is formed in the ponds. Okay, in the ocean and the other water bodies. Okay, so the water animals are dependent on the small organisms which are present in the water bodies, and we are dependent on those water animals. Okay, so this interdependence of each other is called the ecosystem. Okay, so let's begin with the diagram. So this ecosystem, like sun, with the help of the sun, with the help of the heat of the sun, water and carbon dioxide, the plant produces their own food. Okay, they produce their own food. So this they are called the producers. Okay, so this producers, they are consumed by someone. Okay, for example, cow, rabbit. Okay, so they consume the plants. Okay, so they are the primary consumers. Okay, then the animals who consume these animals, okay, like vulture and other big animals who consume them, they are the secondary consumer. And then these when they become damaged or when they become decomposed, so they become the decomposers. When the other organisms like fungi and bacteria, when they decompose them and form them into other thing, then they are called the decomposers. So they all are interdependent on each others because of their food, because of their living, because of their habits. So this is called a food chain, or when they are interlinked, this is linked to this, this is linked to this, this is linked to this, then we call it as food web. Okay, then we call it as food web. So all these food chain and food web on which our life are interdependent and interlinked, they are known as the ecosystem. Okay, so ecosystem also consists of an artificial type also. Artificial consists of the croplands on our farmlands on which we create the ecosystem by farming. By farming we create the plants, and then by using the animal dung as the manure, we are creating a cycle of interdependence. The animals used to eat the grass, and by eating grass they used to when they eat grass and then when they excrete their dungs, then those dungs are used as the manure. So they are also forming a cycle. So all these cycle of interdependence of one living being on another living and non-living being is called ecosystem. Okay, so in one sentence, the interlinking and interdependent of one living and non-living on another living and non-living on this earth is called our ecosystem. Okay, thank you.